Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to run Crystal's mini quiz. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to Crystal's website and then select Reports. Scroll down to Improving Communication, and on the bottom here is this mini quiz. You can either select Build Report or just select the bar here, and when you click it, Crystal is going to ask you a series of 4 questions, it's the mini quiz, about someone that you're trying to predict a personality for. So just to run through this, let's say you're looking at somebody, you understand who they are a little bit, and you want a personality assessment, but you may not have their LinkedIn profile or any text to analyze, so you can opt to do this mini quiz as long as you know them well enough to answer these 4 questions. So the questions are they formal or casual? Let's go with formal. Are they flexible or structured? Let's go with structured. Are they big pictured or detailed? Let's go with big picture. Are they assertive or accommodating? Let's go with assertive. So those are the 4 questions. We'll do test and test. Very great naming here. We will build this report. And we can see that Crystal's predicted the personality of test here from those 4 questions as an architect or a DC. So you can use this tool with people that you know well, or at least well enough to answer those 4 generalized questions, and this is going to get you pretty close to their personality. Obviously, this is not going to be 100% accurate, it's only 4 questions, but it is actually pretty surprising how close it gets to someone's personality. Best of luck as you mini quiz away on your friends and family and show them the results. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.